All right, guys, this is a two-step record. So I want to show you an easy way that I use to stay in touch with sellers on a weekly basis. Now, I'm going to show you what I think and how the software is supposed to work, but I can't get it to work because I never get notified. But I'll show you what my workaround is to make it work. So I'm on Realtor.com, all right? So that's where I start out at. Now I go over here to sign in and I put my cursor on the little person up at the top right and scroll down. Oh, see, Google automatically logged me in. If Google automatically has you logged in, log out. So I'm going to click sign out, okay? Close that down. I don't want to be here. I want to be right here. So you want to see if you're logged in, log out, and then click where it says log in. You see where it says log in right there? Click that button. Go down to right here where it says, are you a real estate agent? Okay, go down to that bottom. Click log in. All right, and it should take me to the next screen. Okay, so I'm logged in here. Okay, perfect. So let me shrink this just a little bit. I want to get that out of the way. Go over here to listings over on the left bar. This video is all about easy ways to stay in touch with your sellers. Easy ways to stay in touch with your sellers to show them if you're not telling people what you're doing, they don't think you're doing anything. So this is another way to show people what you're doing, that you're helping sell their house. So over here on listings, click listing. And then this pops up, and click on any one of your listings. Click on any one of your listings. Let's click on this property over here in Preg. Okay, and then when this pops up right here at the top right, you see where it says share report right there at the top right. You see where is that? See that right there? Share report. See that, guys? Click share report. And then this is going to pop up, and I want it to send these weekly on Mondays at 5. That's what I want it to do. I want that to happen. But no matter when I click that, and even when I'm CCing myself, I never see it. I never see it. I'm going to go ahead and save this right there. So I'm going to do this with you guys. I'm going to try to get this to go tomorrow at 5 p.m. I'm going to try to get this to go tomorrow at 5 p.m. I have not been able to do it since Realtor.com switched over to this software. I have not been able to do that. I have to manually send these every Thursday, and that's what I do. And it's a great way for me to touch base with the seller and what's going on their market. So I'm going to click weekly, send Monday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's what I'm going to click. Then you go down here and you enter in your contacts. See, I already have contacts in here, and I'm blurring them out on the screen. So there's no contact information whatsoever online, YouTube, and Facebook, and all those people. There's no personal contact information on here. I'm blurring it out. Put in their contact information, okay? And then scroll down here to the bottom, and you want to send them the listing, and you want to send them the listing activity portion. You want to send them the buyer portion, and then it's up to you whether or not you want to send the performance score. Like, for some reason, I can almost never get Realtor.com to give my listings 100% performance. It has all these weird things to like fill out that aren't really necessary. So you'll see what I'm talking about if you try to get to 100. So I just send them the buyer info, and I send them the listing info, and then scroll down here to the bottom where my picture is. See right here where it says share report. See right there? Click share report. Okay. So report scheduled to send. Report scheduled to send. So I will let you know in the comments section down below. I'll let you know down in the comments section below if it actually worked. Let's go ahead and do it one more so you guys can see how I do it on another one. I'm going to go to Lily. I'm going to go to share report. I'm going to select weekly at 5 p.m. I'm going to select that. And then I'll let you know if it shows up tomorrow at 5 p.m. Enter in the contacts info right there. I'm blurring out my contacts info, so there's no personal contact info on this whatsoever. Put in a personal message if you want. Put in a video message if you want. This one is a land listing, so there's only one thing really to select here. There's not a lot of other stuff to select here. And then scroll down to the bottom and click share report. Click share report. So now I have both those set up to share reports on Monday at 5 p.m. theoretically. So that's what I wanted to point out in this quick video. I want to show you that real quick so you can take advantage of it, implement it in your business, stay in touch with sellers more frequently, more often. If that doesn't work for me, I still send them on Thursdays manually. I just send them Thursday mornings manually, right when I wake up, right after I read my Bible. I send out these reports to my listings, and then I'll be able to reach out with them throughout the day on Thursday, touch base on the report. If we're at our scheduled price drop, I'm letting them know we're making that scheduled price drop because we haven't had the amount of showings that we needed, and we haven't received an offer that would buy the property. So this time, at the time of this video, if the houses aren't hitting the performance indicators that we need them to hit, then we just do the price reduction, because we don't. My goal is to price properties at market. Sometimes sellers want to price them over market. It happens, not a big deal. I just build in an automatic price drop into my listings, and then we follow that price drop schedule to get them where they need to go. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, giant thumbs up. That way other agents know this video is out there to help them be successful as listing agents. And of course, guys, if you're at a crossroads in your business, or if something's going on at your current office, reach out to me. I absolutely want to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. Whether you've been in the business 15 years, whether you've been in the business 5 years, or if you're just now starting to think about getting in the business, reach out to me, guys. I want to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success, and how my business partners over here at eXp Realty and I can help set you up to reach the real estate goals that you'd like to reach. And if anything, at least you know what I have to say about eXp Realty. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. And these two videos that are popping up on either side of me, I'm trying to make my fingers not go all weird blurry. Those videos that are popping up, those are videos that the algorithm thinks you might want to enjoy also. Have a good one, guys.